There is more breaking news this hour. A Utah judge has dismissed a wrongful death lawsuit brought by the parents of Gabby Petito. You'll remember the 22-year-old was killed in August 2021 after she disappeared on a cross-country trip with her boyfriend, Brian Laundrie. In November of 2022, Petito's parents filed a $50 million wrongful death lawsuit against the Moab police. Officers in that department questioned both Petito and her boyfriend during a domestic violence incident just weeks before Petito was killed. Joining me now, NBC News correspondent Morgan Chesky. So, Morgan, what was the family of Gabby Petito seeking exactly to do with this lawsuit, and why was it dismissed?
Yeah, Clay, this lawsuit specifically was directed at the Moab Police Department for an incident that took place about a month before Gabby Petito died. The family was looking to hold that department liable because of a call that came in for domestic violence in which Moab police responded and encountered both Gabby and Brian Laundrie. There was a call to Gabby's own parents as this was going on in which she assured them that Moab police were handling the situation, but the family believed that the police did not do their due diligence in establishing Brian Laundrie as a threat at that time. The back and forth here between the department and the parents really hinged, Clay, on this immunity that law enforcement bodies can have applied to them in cases where they are held liable. And the attorney for the department also argued that the police simply could not be liable for the death of Gabby Petito in an encounter that happened a month prior to their death. Of course, Petito's parents vehemently disagreed on that account. The judge's decision today to dismiss it, he stated that he was merely following constitutional law as it was written, and he said that they could certainly appeal, but if this was also dismissed by an appeals court, that would effectively end this lawsuit entirely here. Clay?
And Morgan, notably, this is not the first time Petito's parents have sought justice for their daughter through the courts, right?
Right. They've already been awarded $3 million as part of a civil suit related to Gabby's death with the parents of Brian Laundrie. And there was a separate lawsuit that was settled in February of this year, Clay, that ended in an undisclosed amount, both sides agreeing that they did not want to incur any more legal costs and that they were just trying to put this horrific, tragic chapter behind both of them.
Truly a tragedy. Morgan Chesky, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.